Good morning, good morning. Today is on the 30th of October. I think it's the last day of the month, yeah? Uh, we have that. Oh no, 31st. All right. So today is on the 30th, and looking at how the market has been moving yesterday. So yesterday I took this buy. All right. Remember what we had said? I closed above this point. I'm gonna be picking the buy. So what I did is, let me show you. What I did is after this kind of closed above this level over here, so I was looking for a break above this point. So I had myself an impasse entry over here. I took this trade from this point, pushed up with it, and continued the way to this point. Got out. This was the first order. All right. So I hit over there. So what I was waiting again was another break above, like what happened over here. Placed another buy over here. This didn't really go high, but then my stop loss was below this point. So the moment we went to this point and we started coming back down over here, I had moved my stop loss to entry and got out with break even. All right. So observe the market and realize that this market may have a problem. So what I wanted again is for this to be broken so that the market can continue going up, but then it didn't happen. It went down. So the moment it broke down, I watched this market actually. I watched this market go down as I look. It was just pushing down, 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 down. And told myself, I'm not gonna get into this market. Let me just leave it to go. It came all the way down, did all this, and now we're here. So now we want to see if you'd got this entry. Congratulations. But again, there was a lot of other entries because I could have taken this sell from this point as well and go down, but I just chose not to. In terms of fundamentals, we have Euro news today, monetary policies, the main refinancing rates, and ECB press conference that's going to move the euro. The BOJ news has already passed, so let's see. Let's remove every other analysis and do a fresh new analysis. Price action, market structure. Gonna observe breakout trades over here. All right, there we go. Monthly support. Monthly support. There we are. Weekly support is over here. And in there. Weekly resistance. All right, so we have a formation over here of the daily high over there. It's a daily high. What is a daily support? This is not it. It looks like it should be at support, but then again, it's gonna be a support when this candle closes. If this candle closes like that, bullish like that, yes, this is a support. But up to now, it's not yet a support for me. So we're gonna check out the next one over here. All right. In 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours, what we're looking at. Okay. The readjust 4 hours. We have a very nice resist support level over here and a very nice resistant level over here as well. Then we have 1 hour. We have this level over here. And we have another one over here, maybe over there. 30 minutes. Yeah, that's where we are right now. Okay. So 30 minutes, this one has just been broken. This one has just been broken actually. So that's a very nice place actually for you to, let me show you how you can take this trade. Above this wick over here, like that, just had this candle close above this point. So it's just retraced. So what we want to see is this kind of flip and continue pushing up or closing like that without breaking this low. previous candle low. If this candle, the body closes below this previous candle low, then again it's a null and void. The market may continue, may push down. But if the candle closes above, somewhere above this previous candle low, and then the next candle starts and push back, breaks the high of this, yes, could grab that buys over there. All right. So but right now we still have like 6 minutes to go for the 30 minutes candle to close. Hoping it closes in that way, but then let's see how the market will be behaving as we progress. Okay. So possible entry for sale. These are very nice. Yeah. So what I'm saying is, should this candle, this is gonna be an aggressive entry. Should this candle close below this candle low like that over there? If this candle closes like this, I can take some quick aggressive sales over here. So just write potential. This is something new. I've never shown you guys this. This is how you can this candle can give you an entry for you to sell from this point to this point right now. A very quick trade, very profitable, high probability profit double trade. Yeah, but then you gotta have to close. It has to close. It doesn't matter how much it's pushing down, it has to close first. So again, the patience bit come in. Potential today. Hey, all the orders right now are just aggressive because this one also needs to be an aggressive one. Then again, we're gonna need to see this being broken so that at least we can take the buys from this point and push on up like that. So nothing is casted on stone right now. So let's wait and see. Yeah, let's wait and see. The good thing is that you develop patience a lot when you're doing Forex. So you gotta wait for the market to make the right move to give you the high probability trades. You don't just want to jump into a trade that is going nowhere. You don't just want to jump on a trade that is going nowhere. All right. So let's see. 4 minutes to go. That market's need the candle. If this candle closes like that, I'm taking a sell from here. I'm executing a sell from here impulsively. I'm taking an impulse entry from here. First of all, to this point. Let me see how many pips that's gonna be. That's gonna be like what? 28 pips. That 28, 29. That's good for gold. That can give me $300 this morning. So let's say, yeah. Now this is what we call price action. See, we're looking at the action that the price is making right now. We want to see how it closes. If it closes like that, then go on down. Fundamentally, we have nothing. What do we have? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Fundamentally, we say that the euro news that's gonna move the euro, the USD still in the shutdown. It's crazy. I was looking at the number of people that have lost jobs. I'm sure the NFP is gonna be crazy. The moment the shutdown is over, the NFP is gonna be out of this world. How many minutes we have? We have 2 minutes for this candle to close. Yeah, you see, even in 15 minutes, we have a candle pushing down over here. Even in 15 minutes, this candle closes like that. Can grab a sell. Let's see, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour it could be that the market was creating a high and then it goes down. Then again, there's this level. There's this level again. This level. Yeah, the market may retrace from this point and then continue pushing up again. So, yeah, there's a lot on the line. Actually, if we were taking it 1 hour, you would put this one here. So you'd say that the market is at the place where it's trying to break the 1 hour resistance support, sorry. Yeah. Hmm. Makes it interesting. It makes it interesting. Okay. All right. So, yep. We're gonna be, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm waiting for the market to, for the 1 hour to, for the 1 minute to end so that we can see how the candle closes before I end the live session. Just want to see how it closes because it's closing in less than a minute. Let's see. Most probably it's gonna close like that. The moment it closes like that, I'm gonna execute a sell from this point. Put my stop loss here, just here. Gonna do like this. Just put my stop loss just above that point. I also don't want to risk a lot. Remember, it's an aggressive trade, so when the market has closed, it has closed just like that. Yeah, but now here's the problem with these. Yeah, the close over here, there's no wick on the bottom. Having no wick in the bottom, it's tricky because it means the market can retrace and go up. But again, um, should I wait for the market to bounce here and then I enter? Yeah, I need to see this first. Because in 1 hour, mm, somehow the fact I could have taken this impulse entry, but then the fact that this mark candle has closed with no wick, it's tricky. If a candle closes with no wick, let's just like here. You see here? A candle closes with no wick. It's crazy. Look, candle closes with no wick. The next candle that happens, crazy candles. Candle closes with no wick. Retracements happens. See this one? It was selling, selling, selling. Closed with no wick. The next candle, what did it do? Push down and then reversed. So this one is selling, selling, selling. Close with no wick. This candle probability is gonna push down and then up. So let's see how it happened. But again, um, I'm I'm gonna enter with a small, not the usual risk that I use, not the usual lot size. Do a smaller lot size for the sell. Stop loss just here and see how it goes. All right. Let's keep an eye on that and let's see how the market happens today. All right. Good day, guys. Take care and have a good one. Bye bye, everybody. Trade what you see, not what you think. So what are we doing? That is trading what we're seeing. We are trading what we are seeing on the charts, right? Happy hunting, traders.